Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a bucket of popcorn. Let's doodle! Okay, starting right here on the page, we're going to draw the bucket of popcorn first, or the bucket first. And it's just a straight sort of slanted line down like this. And then we're going to do the bottom of the bucket here, and it's just a curved line across like this. And then a line back up for the other side of the bucket. Like that. And then back where we started, we're going to do a curved line like this, and we'll do the rim of the bucket. So we'll just go just a curved line across like this. And take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And then a curved line like that. And now we'll draw the other edge of the top of the bucket. So right here, we'll do a curved line across, giving that rim kind of an even thickness around like that. That looks good. Okay, let's draw some popcorn in that bucket. So starting over here, we're just going to do a lot of curved lines, and we'll make it real puffy popcorn. You can kind of do these anywhere you want and have them overlapping each other so it looks like it's a big pile of popcorn. Popcorn is my favorite treat when I go to the movies. I like to put extra butter on my popcorn. So just anywhere you like, just a bunch of overlapping puffy lines to make that puffy popcorn. And let's have some falling out of the bucket because it's overflowing with yummy popcorn. One over here, and maybe we'll do one over here. Like that. Okay, let's draw a face on this bucket of popcorn, and maybe a striped bucket too, but we'll start with the face. So right here we'll draw an eye, so just a circle like this, and then a smaller circle for the highlight inside, and an even smaller circle for another highlight. And then we'll do the same on this side. A circle, and then a highlight, and a smaller highlight. And let's color those in black. All right, this is a happy bucket of popcorn, so let's do a smiley face here. So just a U-shaped line like that. Okay, now let's do some stripes on this bucket. So we're just going to do a bunch of diagonal, sort of slanted lines vertically across the bucket shape. So starting here, we'll just do a straight line down like this, and one like this. And they get a little bit wider as we go because we want to show that the bucket is curved. And then leave a little space there for the eye. That. And leave a little space and start it back up here. That. One like that. and one like that.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
Okay, I'm gonna make my popcorn buttery yellow because I like a lot of butter on my popcorn. But you can make your popcorn any color you want. And we'll do the stripes on the bucket red and white. And maybe on the white we just give a little bit of a shadow color of gray. And maybe we do that on the popcorn as well. Don't forget to sign your doodle.
Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.